want to click some stranger portrait. So are you interested in one picture?
Sure.
Or can I click your portrait? Excuse me. I'm doing some street photography challenge for my YouTube videos. So guys, आप देख के बताओ कि कैसी स्टेबिलिटी है एंड वीडियो का जो आउटपुट है वो कैसा लग रहा है आपको. So अभी हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं सब कुछ स्ट्रीट फोटोज़ क्लिक करते हैं एंड सो अपने साथ अभी शुभम है. हाय शुभम. तो शुभम के साथ हम स्ट्रीट फोटोग्राफी कर रहे हैं उदयपुर में.
लेदर मार्केट है.
हाँ. Hello. Hello. Excuse me. I'm a street photographer from Udaipur. I want to click some stranger portrait like you. So you are interested?
Okay. Yeah. No problem.
Okay. Stand here. Okay.
Very nice.
How's this? Thank you. Bye. Hello. Excuse me. Are you free?
Not so much.
I'm doing some street photography challenge for my YouTube videos like strangers and tourists. So are you interested in one picture?
Sure.
Only for portrait.
Sure.
Okay. Like there.
Okay.
Come in.
5 minutes.
Okay. Enough. Hey friends, I'm doing some street photography challenge with my friend. What's your name?
Carmen.
ओके सो ये स्पेन से है और अभी मैं इनके कुछ पोर्ट्रेट क्लिक करने वाला हूँ. अभी मैं इधर जा रहा था तो अभी मैंने इनसे पूछा कि मैं आपके पोर्ट्रेट क्लिक कर सकता हूँ. सो इन्होंने परमिशन दी है. सो अभी हम यहाँ पे इनके कुछ अच्छे से पोर्ट्रेट क्लिक करते हैं एंड बहुत ही बढ़िया व्यू है. सो हाउस द वेदर?
Really nice.
एंड हाउस द उदयपुर?
I love it. I really love it.
So thanks for visit our Udaipur. I'm from Udaipur and nearby my town which is Nathadwara, Srinathji temple. You know?
Oh, yeah, been there.
So there is a good place for visit. So come here.
Great. Perfect.
Thank you so much. And,
One question. What GoPro is this one?
here's the GoPro 9.
Okay, and you like it? I'm planning on buying one, so I don't know which one. I want it for scuba diving.
Okay.
And is
So
this great?
Do you know about this? This is a waterproof.
Yeah, no, I know.
IP68 waterproofing.
Yes, I know.
And but here's the damage screen.
Okay.
So
But the photos are good?
photos already get
And
better.
inside water, the photos are good?
I can't test it.
Okay.
But I have an iPhone, so I tried multiple shots on iPhone.
Okay.
So अभी और कुछ ट्राई करते हैं यहाँ पे स्ट्रीट फोटोज़ एंड मिलते हैं आपसे आगे. Hey bro, how are you?
Good man, what's happening?
I'm a photographer. Can I click your portrait? For my YouTube videos, behind the scenes and stranger portrait in Udaipur. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You have also great feedback.
Thank you. Alright. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, I'm doing some street photography challenge for my YouTube videos, so I need some stranger portrait.
Oh my god. No.
Just and only for YouTube vlogs and so
Yeah,
are you
one
interested?
picture.
Yeah,
Just one.
just one.
Just one. Yeah, together?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yes, together. No.
Each other and together, both.
Okay, perfect.
Sit,
Yes.
stand here. Are you ready? Yeah, look here. Each other. Look here. You both look beautiful.
Very nice.
Ay, qué bueno.
Super.
Súper.
I want to take more. Stand here for background like there.
Yes.
You want this?
Who you are?
I'm a photographer. My name is Mahendra Sutha
Nice.
from nearby town which is Nathdwara Srinathji temple.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay.
You know Srinathji temple?
Chennai.
Far away from 40 kilometers.
40
kilometers.
Okay, so I'm from there.
You have the Instagram page.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Give me your phone. Hey, excuse me.
Yes.
Are you free? I want to talk.
Yes.
I'm a street photographer.
Okay.
I'm doing some stranger portrait, which is one tourist in Udaipur.
Okay.
So, are you interested?
We take a photo
On the
for
photo?
you.
Yeah.
You just need to go, but it
Only random photos, just for YouTube vlogs. Street
just for
photography.
what?
Just for YouTube.
Ah, no problem.
Interested?
Yes.
Look one side. Thank you.
You have a YouTube.
Yeah. I have a YouTube channel and a photography page.
Okay.
Are you interested? This is my page. My Ask Sutha.
That's your YouTube? I have only a YouTube.
Yeah, I have a YouTube. Search one.
Ask Sutar.
Yes. Yes, first one.
Good luck, my friend.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
I want to talk to you.
What would you like?
I'm doing a street photography challenge for my YouTube videos.
Oh, yes.
So you are tourist and our guest.
I'm a tourist.
So I want to click your photos
Yes. Okay.
for my YouTube videos.
Okay.
Interested?
Sure. Of them?
Yeah. Just for YouTube vlogs, nothing more.
No, that's good.
Are you interested?
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Okay, look here. Okay, this is a group photo. I need one by one. Yes. Look at the camera. Thank you so much. Yeah. Like this. Like that. Yeah. You looks good.
Camera loves you.
She's actually smiling.
Yeah. Looks great. Are you interested there? Which is a background framings?
Not me.
Yeah.
Oh, that's that shot with the windows. Awesome. Don't close.
Okay, thank you. And are you? You are most beautiful person. You are most beautiful person. Seriously, you look good.
He wants to take a picture in front of the other end.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Looks good.
I'm gonna go like this.
Yes.
No.
Look here. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Please watch these pictures if you're interested.
Yes. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah. Lovely, Marley. Oh, you're smiling.
Once in my life.
Well
Look,
done.
background green
Yes,
grass and
lovely.
is the yours?
Ah, not so good.
Why?
That's not.
I think this is a good picture.
Yeah.
This is a group
Okay.
photo.
Lovely. Thank you. Good luck with your YouTube.
Yes.
Yep.
You can subscribe me if you like these
Okay.
pictures. I'll upload this picture for video
Yeah.
and you can watch there.
What's your YouTube?
Search ASK Suthar. Ask Suthar.
Take a photo.
Yes.
Ask Sutha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Spell that right?
ASK space SUTHAR. Subscribe me and here's my photography page. ASK Suthar.
Okay.
Easy.
That's my photos.
Lovely. How many followers do you have?
Followers. I have 80k, 79.
Really?
Very good.
We're going to be famous.